This will be your last boarding call. This will be your last boarding call for the 903. Your last boarding call. Please stand clear of the doors. The doors are now closing. Please stand clear.
Hey guys, so I'm just heading to work on Tuesday. Just had a long weekend. I had some fun times. I actually wore an outfit that was not all black for once. Didn't get out to any parties or anything, but it was still good.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome on board your 903 eastbound train, making all station
trains were
stops
delayed as usual. So
to Oshawa.
Late. I mean, I was going to be late anyway, but now I'm even more late.
Once this train reaches Oshawa, it is out of service.
Watched a couple of great series. One of them was, of course, the Shane Dawson tanacon finale.
My name is Tom. I'm your customer service ambassador this morning in the accessibility coach, which is 4517.
It's a great documentary about
That's the
Michael
fifth coach from the locomotive.
case.
And on behalf of Go Transit
And then the other one was
and your
Unsolved,
crew,
the
we just thank you very much for traveling with us,
watched
and we
part
do
of that,
hope
and that
you
was
have a
great
blessed
too.
trip. And if you do happen to gather up any newspapers, coffee cups, any other types of garbage, you can deposit in the receptacles on the train and on the platform.
I have a lot of ideas for new videos. One
Danforth will be our
is,
first station stop.
I want to start
Danforth.
recording.
Also for those passengers exiting at Guildwood this morning. Due to platform construction, the 7 West End coaches of this train, the doors will not open. And those coaches are
I want to start recording as I'm doing photo shoots, so like a behind shoot scenes. First of all, of course, I have to start actually doing photo shoots, which is another thing.
2786.
But I want to do that. I want to start doing more food videos. I've got a new one out, or we've got a new one out. Flamin' Hot Cheetos.
Must travel through the
burrito
train
with
the same
sweet
direction
chili.
the train is traveling.
Flamin' Hot Cheetos.
So you
That's
get to
great.
at least
There's a full
the
video
accessibility
there,
coach,
and
which is 4517. That's where I'm
just
located,
the last
and you
final
can
product
exit the
shots.
train at Guildwood there.
I want to maybe do
Once again, Danforth is our first
hardware,
stop.
computer-ish videos. I want to do gaming. Whenever I do play games, I'm gonna record it and put that up. So I'm gonna make a little playlist for everything, and I want to start doing obviously vlogs. I want to do more. I'm kind of loving making videos, and I'm addicted to it. So I want to start making as many videos as I can, and I want to start making good or better quality videos as well, and sort of try to improve. I'd love to get a 4K standalone camera, but I've got an A6000. That's what I use for all the videos that have sort of a shallow feel to it. I've got the iPhone 8 Plus, which has pretty good 4K video on it, actually. And I've got a Ricoh GR as well as my pocket camera. The video on that is not so good, honestly. I'd love to get, either a newer A series camera, something that has 4K on it, or something like a Sony RX100, one of the newer models, or maybe an LX10 Lumix, something like that. But I don't want to pay for that right now, so we're just gonna have to live with the iPhone 4K and the 1080 from my other camera for now. Oh, and I got a nose hair trimmer, finally.